Hi, I'm Nancy from Cooking Nancy's channel. I put some oil, olive oil, into my pan and one big Spanish onion and thinly sliced sweet potato. First I cook the onions, saute the onions till they are soft before I added the sweet potato, thinly sliced potato. And when the onions are caramelized, you can see all the sweetness. All I did was a dash of Maggi seasoning, and now I'm just going to put a dash of soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil, and this is chopped green chili and fresh coriander. For those who can eat garlic, you can put garlic as well. So this is a very nice sweet potato dish. Normally in Asia, sweet potato is made into sweets and dessert, you know, boiled in syrup water and all that. But I've created this for you, a new dish. Please subscribe to my cooking video for recipe ideas. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Stay home and stay safe. I know during this lockdown stage, many of you have sweet potato in the garden, but this one I have bought because my sweet potato is still in the ground. I'm waiting for the leaves. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Enjoy your stay and cooking at home. Learn how to cook. It's very important. Yeah, all restaurants are closed, and you know, some restaurants are so dangerous. As you can know, in Sydney, the cluster has started from a pub and a restaurant. Stay safe. Please help to stop coronavirus by doing your bit. Bye. Thank you.